Did you know that Snip has upgraded to more advanced? Now, Snip has video recording and more settings. These are what you can do with Windows Snip.